Vision Installation Guide. Welcome to the Vision Installation and Setup Guide. This video will instruct you on the system requirements, prerequisite, installation of Vision and finally troubleshooting before you can run your first Vision report. To install Vision, the following requirements have to be met first. It should be on a Windows operating system. Supported OS included Windows 7 to Windows 10. Operating system could be 32-bit or 64-bit. This doesn't matter when installing Vision. .NET 3.5 and 4.0 and above should be installed in the client PC. You should be able to ping ODBC server from the client PC. Microsoft Excel should be installed in the client. And Vision add-in support only 32-bit Excel. So make sure 32-bit Excel is installed. To check this, open Excel. And go to File. Select Accounts at the bottom of the menu. And click About Excel. You will be able to see if this is 32-bit or 64-bit Excel from here. Oracle Client, Installation, and Setup. 11G Installation folder. Run the setup file located in this folder. Click Yes and continue. Now client installation will begin. Click Yes to continue. You can choose runtimes for a simple client installation. Or if this is the first installation of Vision, choose Administrator option, which will install additional drivers that are required for server components installing. Click Next to continue. English is already selected. Click Next. Make sure D drive is selected. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Oracle Client installation is done. Click Close to exit the setup. Net Assistant configuration. Between client and Opera server. Oracle Net Assistant Manager have to be configured. Search for Net Assistant Manager. Click Yes and continue. Select Local Net Service Name configuration. Click Add to create new service name. Enter service name as Opera and click Next. Select TCP/IP. Enter ODBC server IP or host name. Before continuing, test if you can ping to this IP. Use default port unless it's different. Choose Yes, perform a test. Use Vision, and test the connection. Service name have been created successfully. Oracle driver setup. Oracle driver, if this is your first installation and wants to install the server components. For other client setup, this is not required. Search for 32-bit ODBC. Click Add to create new data source. Select Oracle and Oracle client as a driver. Define data source as server IP. Give a description. Select the service name created before. Vision as user ID. Test connection with Vision. Driver setup completed. Vision installation. Of Vision. We must first install Visual Toolkit. Run the Setup.exe. Accept the license and click Install. Click Finish. With the Vision installation. Before running the setup, make sure C39 folder is available. C39 folder included all the tables and fields which are related to Opera. To locate the C39 folder, unzip the Micros Opera 5.11 release file. Copy the C39 folder. Paste the C39 folder to the Alchemy folder. This will automatically detect the Micros DataLink during installation. Now we can start installation of Vision. Go to Query and Analysis Installation folder. Open Welcome.exe. Click Yes to continue. Select Install Client Component. Select Query and Analysis. Click Install. After checking all requirements, the installation will begin. Click Next. Make sure D drive is selected. Leave this field blank and click Next. Choose Custom. Remove the Automatic DataLink Update option and click Next to continue. Click Install. Installation have automatically detected the data links which located on the installation folder. Including the C39 folder. Click Update to install all new updates. Data is installed. Next step would be to define the connection for the data links. Select Query and Analysis. Select Oracle as a database. Enter start sign followed by the service name you have created earlier. Opera. Click Next. Enter Vision. and click Next. Test connection. Next, set up the Opera connection the same way. If this the first installation, server components have to be installed. This step is done only once and would require ODBC data source, or else the following message will appear every time you try to install server components. Go back and change data source to ODBC data source. And install again. Test connection. Click Finish. Click Finish. Click Save. Click Finish. Vision installation is completed. Vision setup. License configuration. You need to go to Vision Setup.exe. Search for Setup. Enter login details and click OK. Note that the license is picked up as demo mode. If you wish to disable and enable additional data links, you can go to Client Setup and tick the data link you want and untick the links you don't want. To load the Vision license, go to Load from File and select the license file. This will import the license configuration to the setup. To grant additional access for user groups, go to Profiles and Edit. Guest is the default user group. Select and click OK. Go to Options tab and select the last three options, which will be used to extract maximum information from Vision. To create a new user, go to Users, Add User. Enter username and password. By default, the user profile is assigned to default group. Now this user need to be allocated to a product. To allocate, right-click the user and select User Allocation. Allocate the user to Micros Opera Q&A Excel. Concurrent number of users are shown here. In demo mode, you cannot allocate users. Vision Excel add-in. Vision. We must make sure the Vision add-in is now added to Excel. Open Excel. You will be able to find the Q&A ribbon now added to the Excel. The add-in will not load for 64-bit Excel. Sometime the add-in might be disabled, which you might need to enable. To enable the add-in, go to File and Options. Select Add-ins. Search for the add-in from the column Addings. Make sure the add-in is enabled. If add-in not displayed here, you need to add the add-in to Excel manually. To do this, search for the Q&A installed folder from the D drive, Programs, and Files folder. Open the Excel add-in, remove add.exe. And click Apply. This will add the ribbon to Excel. Click this Login button. Enter username and password and click OK. Add-in is ready to be used by users. Check if the property code is picked up to the report. Usually on the first installation the property code will not pick up. You can use any table you want. Select the resort filter. Check if the property code is showing. As you can see, no property code is displayed here. To fix this, open CMD. Connect to SQL+ and connect to Vision Schema. Execute the following command. Commit. Check again. Check if business date field is picking up. Demo mode will show maximum 99 records. Check if financial transaction table is picking up. Successfully installed Vision, and it's ready to be used. Well done! Thank you for watching this video.